So, just show you the difference. These are all relatively similar size, 12, 14 brushes. This one is not crimped. These pick up lovely beads. I have to say, you can pick up really large beads, particularly if you're working on a larger nail. But if you'll notice here, it's got a rounder base there. This is one that I've crimped myself. And that one, if you'll notice, it's kind of rounder at the top here. So it's more kind of, it fits the shape of the cuticle. And this one, again, is, that one's one that I bought that was actually pre-crimped. But yeah, hope that helps.